Hello, this is Zed Online with a how-to video, and I'm going to show you today how to set up a vanilla Minecraft server. First thing you're going to need is your internal IP address. So for that, click Start, and you want command prompt. If it's not in that list, you can search for down there, com, and there it is. And in here you want ipconfig, and enter. Now the IP address will always be 192.168.0. something else. 1 is always going to be the network hub, so you know it's not that one. So this is the other one. This is my internal IP address, 192.168.0.6. So we can exit that. Next, you need to download the server file. So internet and minecraft.net, and log yourself in. Remember me, which it never does, and click on download. Now this is the shortcut to download the actual game file, and then this is the shortcut to download the server file. So we're downloading 1.8, which currently is the latest version. So select where you want it to save. Now currently I've got a folder on my desktop called Minecraft, which has got the game file in. So save it in there, and once that's saved you can close that, open the folder, and there we are. Now you don't have to run them from there, you can create shortcuts on your desktop or in another folder to access them easier. But for now I'll run them from here. So I'll open the server folder. Now this is just a security window, this is fine. It's safe to click run. What you can do is untick that so you don't have to click run again. So for now I'll leave it as it is, click run. Now you'll see some files start popping up, and there's the server window. Server's not ready just yet, so you need to close it down, and then you need to open this file, eula.txt, and basically what it's asking you here is it's asking you to read the terms and conditions, so to speak, at that address, and as long as you agree with them, you need to change false here to true. Then file, save, and close, and then you run the server file again. And this time you'll notice more files and folders will turn up. So there's the server window again. And there we go. So all the files have popped in, including the world folder. Now that's the randomly generated world. Basically, if there is a world folder there, the server will just run that file. If there is no world folder there, it will automatically create a new one. So to start with, it creates a new one. What you can do is you can get downloads from Planet Minecraft and stuff, put them into there, run the server, and that server will then run that download. So now what you want to do is open your Minecraft. Now the launcher checks for updates and downloads any extras. Starting launcher. Right, so now the launcher is loading. You want to make sure you're running the right version. So I've got it set to Minecraft 1.8. So click play, and that will load the game. Now in the server folder, that's where that will show what players are online at the time, and then this is for the logs and all the chat. Right, now the game's loading. We'll make that full screen. Right, then you want multiplayer, add server, and then rename the server whatever you want to call it. So for me, it would be Z Online, and then the server address 192.168.0.6. Done, and you'll find this at the bottom. So there it is. That shows it's online and ready. You can, in 1.8, move the server up or down the list wherever you need it. Click that to play, and that'll load you into the randomly generated world. Now the world will start with a survival world. So you're in survival mode with mobs and so on. Obviously you can tweak the settings, you can change it to creative. Right, there we go. So I'm now in the randomly generated world. You see I'm in survival mode. Ooh, rabbits! Obviously new addition to 1.8. Cute rabbit. Good for rabbit stew. Right, so obviously you can do whatever you gotta do here. Once you're done, disconnect. So once you're done, you need to close the server down. So open the server window back up and just click the X in the corner and that'll shut it down. And we're done. So thank you for watching. This is Z Online and I am out.